After the stage of the defense case, the summing up and the speeches shall start in the Crown Court. First of all, the prosecution shall appear in front of the jury. They shall guide them throughout the case. They shall tell them why do they have to believe in this story, and shall invite them to convict the defendant based upon the evidence that they have provided, and they shall tell them how they have proven the facts against the defendant through their evidence. Once they are done with it, the defense shall come up to the jury, and the defense shall tell the jury through their speeches that how they have thrashed the evidence of the prosecution in the best possible manner, how they have efficiently and effectively done the cross examination to the witnesses of the prosecution, and in all this they shall tell them that how and why they have to acquit the defense. The judge will then sum up the case to the jury. He will give them directions on the matter of law. So judge will also guide them. Judge will also tell the jury that how and in what manner they have to decide the case. The judge shall direct them on the matters of law, the burden and the standard of proof, the elements of the offense shall be told to the jury by the judge. The inference they are entitled to draw from the defendant's silence. He will remind them of the salient evidence in the case. So judge shall tell them all about the case that is necessary for the jury to know. He will then send them out to consider their verdict.